right, let's see what's gonna happen here. So I'm gonna push the bottom back to the side as I pull the top off. Oh shit. Oh yeah, look at all that water. Look at all that water. Just have it come out the side here. Alright. And this is just a little bit compared to what was happening before, so it's definitely picking off where I left off. The battery, the memory was full, so now I'm working on the to release this the 12-volt cigarette lighter here. Let me see, what am I looking at here? Oh, the top. Just gotta squeeze this piece here, the top, and pull it. Wiggle it back and forth and pull it off. Alright, so that'll release this piece here. It comes out. So now I know the 12 volt is there, we can use that. And now, I think this is the culprit here. Okay. Alright, this is all wet. Alright, so right here, hopefully you guys can see it. So I think the water is supposed to be coming from here. It's leaking. I know there's been some water in here as well. This is soaked. So it definitely is backed up. Here, I'm gonna check in here. There's a clamp here that I have to squeeze to release. Let me put this towel down here to kind of catch any additional water. Alright, hopefully this video will help you guys. Hopefully you can see, because this is definitely a cramped space. So I'm gonna get some pliers to cramp this and pull this so I can get through. I don't know how much water is in here, but I guess we're gonna find out. Let me get some pliers. Make sure you guys continue to see my other videos on this channel. I have many videos working on numerous vehicles. Mercedes, Porsche, BMW, the Jeep, as you can see here. So stay tuned. Alright, let me save the knees a little bit. Alright, these pliers, I'll see if I can put a link in the description. These are very handy. You have different angles, 45, 30 degrees. So let's see. Hopefully this clamp piece will work. I hope. Just take a good look at it. Okay. Let's see if this, maybe this one is better. Just gonna try and squeeze it. Trying to get it right on the edge. Hopefully you guys can see it. I know the angle is a little off. Try to squeeze it. Squeeze it like that and kind of push it down. Yeah, this thing is definitely still wet and slippery, so it doesn't help. It's a little difficult, but we'll work it out. This is the tedious part. Trying to get it in here and then catch the end on this side so I can squeeze it. See the water coming out. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna try this one. push it down as best I can. You can see that there's still water in here, so what I'm going to try and do is pull it out. I guess the water will come out and drain. Or maybe I'll use I think a coat hanger or something to go in there and try and clear it out as best I can. Yeah. Let me see if I can use some other pliers. Oh. Maybe vice grips. Let's see. Let's try these. I think I have vice grips, but they might be in the Mercedes because I was working on the door locks. You can check that video as well. Alright, yeah, this is soaked. Soaked. Alright, so let's see if I can get in here. This is rather precarious. Alright, so still having a problem getting this piece off. So I'll show you how difficult it is sometimes, especially if you don't have the right tools. This thing keeps on moving over. Definitely frustrating, and I'm a big guy, so this place is really tight for me. Alright, let's see if I can get it, because I gotta try and get this piece off. Now it's slipping. Alright, what we gonna do here? I have to get it, I have to grip this. I'm trying to slide it over and just see if I could just really grip it with the pliers facing forward or facing up. Because that's gonna be, I think, the only way. If I could get this light here somewhere. There we go. Hopefully you guys can see. Catch it on the tip here. Try and turn it. It has this lip on either side, hard plastic, so it's very difficult. I'm supposed to be able to grip it and slide it down. I expect maybe a bunch of water to go in. I have a clothes hanger. Old school wire hanger to kind of go through and push down any debris that's blocking it, because it's obviously being blocked. If not, then I'll have to open up the wheel well, but hopefully I don't have to do that. But now this is giving me a problem. I had it, and now it's just giving me the business. Literally giving me the business. So let's see if I could just get it over. Get it in there. Get it over. I'm trying to move it over some more, and then see if I can just grip it on the outside. Got the screwdriver, see if I can push it down. And that's another thing, I don't try not to puncture the rubber, because then it'll be leaking no matter what. And I don't know how much it's going to cost to try and get this piece, so you know, I gotta be careful. Let me see if I could grip it from here and actually push it down. There we go. I think that's just about it. There we go. All right. Shiznit. Okay. So now I can squeeze this in, push it down off the rubber. I think they say you got to push the bottom. I get this piece down, and like I said, I expect the water to come out. We'll see. Push it out. Yeah. Yep. Water's coming out. All right. So let me move these things. And I don't know. Let me see if I can get something plastic. I want to actually put the this mat there because it's supposed to be waterproof and help collect the water. So let's use that and put it back. I'll leave this stuff behind it. And let's see, it was definitely wet under there. I don't know how much water is going to come out, but we're going to look and find out together. Alright, hopefully this looks like it's going to probably spill out some for sure. This is the screw, don't want to lose that. Yeah. Alright, let's see what's going to happen here. So I'm going to push the bottom back to the side as I pull the top off. Oh shit. Oh yeah, look at all that water. Look at all that water. Just have it come out the side here. Alright. And this is just a little bit compared to what was happening before, so it's definitely clogged. I'm backing up, so I'm gonna pull it down so I can get it past that lip this way. Yeah, it's backed up. Alright, now so we're gonna put this back on. So we're gonna slide the bottom sideways. Make sure this is right here. Slide it sideways so we can stick this on. There we go. Slide it sideways so we can put this on. And push it from the back to put it on here. Slide it back on. Pull this, the tab, slowly but surely. You want this as straight as possible, and it's all the way up, which is here. Perfect. No crimp in the neck or anything like that. This is exactly how you want it. Now I'm gonna use the pliers and get this back up where it needs to be. Let me try and set this properly. There we go. Try to make it as even as possible. And this is basically as silly as it sounds, or is the most difficult part to get this actually facing properly to get it to come up. Balancing this, getting that, and try and get this up. Just gotta be careful with your fingers and your hand. Alright. Let's see if I can get this to come up properly. Best I can without it, coming off. I think that's good. Let me start her up and see. Put the AC on. Let's check it out. Alrighty. And business owners. Put the AC on. It's on low. Should start draining with a condenser, and then alright, so far no drainage. This is residual from before, but I've gone and went to the car wash actually. No drainage, nothing coming down, so hopefully it's fixed. I got the AC on, I've had it on high, low. So far so good. Let's see if there's any drippage underneath. Oh yeah, it is dripping, so it's working, guys. See, it's dripping. There you go, AC. So should be good to go. It's not dripping anywhere else. Now just on this side, I took it for a spitted drive so I can get all the water out. So hopefully that's from the AC, and it should be good to go. Like and subscribe the channel, and hopefully this works for you. If it does, make sure you share it as best you can, or recommend it, but also comment. Let me know if this helped you. Say it in the comment section. Just gonna check over here, see if I see any water in here. Nothing so far. Let me just get my light. Where did I put the light? Uh-oh. It must be inside. Where is that light? I know I must have moved it somewhere. Oh, this is my pocket. No. Oh boy, I'm just missing everything. What do they say? Haste makes waste, huh? Let's look in here. Alright, there's no water in here, so I see the water drain down here. Do that, but that's good to go. So I can hopefully officially say that this problem has been solved. You know, I'll do an update or make a comment if for some reason there's an issue. But for right now,